Hello everybody. So today is the last day of the year 2023, and for this reason I decided that I will make this video to wish you all the best in the new year. And I also need to say some big thank you for all your support, for all the good comments, all the energy which I get from you guys. This means a lot for me, because this way I get new energy to make more videos and so on. But it's a little bit sad that I cannot spend a little bit more time for this channel, because I also have other things to do. I hope someday in the future the channel will grow, and this way I will also get more time for the channel itself. I also need to thank you for all the Patreon and the channel members. They also support me for really good time now. So thank you for all the support which I get. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us next year. Bye.